Good afternoon, everybody. I thought it was time to do a video check-in on my YouTube channel. I do a lot of check-ins about every other day or every day on my Let's Paint and Create with Sheila Landry group on Facebook, but it seems like I just don't have time sometimes to do other videos and check in on my YouTube, which is I share that on all the other platforms of social media that I'm on. So anyway, the last time I did a video, I was working on Peggy Harris's Christmas Carol birds, and I had created this surface after I saw Peggy's pattern. It's a two-piece surface. The inner circle is cut on a bevel on the scroll saw, so it presses back in, and the back is a little bit proud. I call these self-framing ornaments, and I thought they would look really nice with Peggy's birds on them. I also have a larger size for a plaque if you want to do them bigger. And I tried Peggy's technique using her silver brush sets, and it was a new technique that I tried with acrylic paint, and I used deco art paint. I converted it, and I will have a chart conversion sheet up on my Create group, my Let's Create with Sheila group on Facebook that people can download. I think the original patterns were in Joe Sonia paint, which I don't have, but the deco art worked really well, and I wanted to show you how I decided to finish them. Now, I was thinking of using a stencil and maybe doing musical notes on the frames at first, and then I thought, well, I got the birds done and they looked so nice that I thought it would be best just to accent the frames and follow the shape of the frames with some simple comma strokes. I use the metallics on the edges. I use Deco Art Extreme Sheen metallics, which I love because they're like liquid metal. They cover really well and they have so much shine in them. I just love them. I use them for all my metallic painting. So anyway, I did my stroke work in the metallics, and then I had gotten these little musical note charms. They're brass color, antique brass. And there's a treble clef and a single note, and then there's a double note here. And they look really nice accented with this. So what I did on my site is I made a little combo thing so you could order 4 ornaments, the gold metallic ribbon, and 6 of the charms. And I'm doing 6 charms because I sell them in sets of 6 or 3. I'll be selling them later because there's only 3 different designs. So I'm going to sell 6, and you can decide which ones you want, and you could use the extras for whatever you want too, if you want. So I'll have the links down in the description, and as I said, I think these came out beautiful. You can get the PDF patterns from Peggy at peggyharris.com. That link will be down there as well. And if you wanted to paint the back, you could probably I was thinking of putting like the musical instrument, like the bells on the back of this one and the harp on the back of that, for those of you who like to paint both sides of your ornaments. And that would look really cool and classy. So that's about where I am. I worked on this during the week. I've been really busy cutting, which is good, but it doesn't give me a lot of time to create. So this week I'm going to be creating for Toll Town a pattern for their November class, and that'll have a short video with it too. And then I have my own musical note shape or musical instrument shaped ornaments that I already drew up that I need to paint, and I'm going to have them for Christmas. So that's going to be a really nice addition. I think a lot of people will like that. I haven't seen any, nice musical instrument ornaments, and I think they're going to look really nice on the tree. So you can join my Facebook group at the link below, and you can kind of see what I'm doing every day. Like I said, I check in, And in the meantime, you can get the pattern from Peggy. Peggy's starting some short tutorials as well with her technique. That's going to be kind of fun to watch. So there's all kinds of tips in that. And like I said, I do video tips as well. So I hope you liked my check-in. I hope you have a good weekend. And you can stop by my site. I'm getting quite busy now with the holidays, so I'm just asking people to kind of order early because I get kind of overwhelmed and I'm just going to have to stop at a decent hour every night of working, and it's going to be what it is because I'm a one-man band here. So order early if you know you want something early for Christmas. We're getting to that time. It's only 2 months from today. So I appreciate everybody's support and their orders too. Okay? So happy painting, happy creating, and thanks for tuning in. Take care.